Guess what, bitch? Coronavirus! Coronavirus! Shit is real!
I test you. You a get a little test now and a lock church? You a get a little test now and a one lay hands upon the sick? Jesus said you will be able to do greater than me.
Well, so no doubt they are worried about bumbuck like coronavirus. We got the remedy for it.
Guess what, bitch? Coronavirus!
And why you don't want to we no get? Because can't for dog nyam dirty pudding. And at the same time, if your resistance is strong, you will resist from it. Just protect yourself. Me don't need no hand sanitizer. God will sanitize me hand. Because me put me trust in a God.
Someone said, I curse Corona from the roots. I command it to die in Jesus' name. This
I test you. You a get a little test now and a lock church? You a get a little test now and a one lay hands upon the sick? Jesus said you will be able to do greater than me. Where was Pounder there?
I hold it down like a Snapchat, go over your head like a snapback, uploaded a pic, double tap that, and your flow so old, granddad. Bruh. It's just banter.
Yeah.
I'm way too much like a black cap.
I boss.
Why you stop chatting in the club for? Just dance, man. Like yo, fam, lamb.